Family, what is up? So in this episode, we're going to be discussing everything Clubhouse related. I know you guys been hearing a lot about the app, so I want to give you guys everything you need to know to make sure that you're using the app as best as possible. Especially if you're an entrepreneur, you definitely need to get this app ASAP. Now, if you're new here, my name is Antonio. I give entrepreneurial YouTube advice as well as give digital marketing strategies to help you grow your brand or business online. So if that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Now, before we get into the video, I definitely have to give a very big shout out to my big sis, Tina. Tina definitely put me on to the Clubhouse app because, guys, I was sleep. Okay, so make sure that you show Tina some love. She's a super dope person, and follow her on Clubhouse as well. All right, you guys, so I know you're asking me, Tonio, what is this app? I'm seeing crazy things on Twitter, okay? And yes, I've seen them too, just to be fair. But honestly, you know, as an entrepreneur, this app is dope. So essentially all it is audio chat room app to where you can drop in any room that is open to the public and listen to whoever the moderator is speaking or moderators of the room or whoever is called upon in the room. And why this is so dope is that it gives you a level of access to different people you may have never had access to before. So I've been in rooms with Kevin Hart and Wiz Khalifa, and there's so many celebrities I've been in rooms with, but also I've been able to have conversations with, you know, real estate agents, top tier real estate agents, CEOs, venture capitalists. So as an entrepreneur, there's so much knowledge to be gained on this app. Now, again, I've seen some crazy stuff too, right? I've seen rooms with, you know, grown men moaning, right? So it gets kind of explicit as well. But for the most part, if you use the app, you know, I think as it should be intended, it's a great way to network. Like I said, there's, you know, record executives on this app. There's brands and makeup artists. There's content creators. There's so many people using this app to network. So it's definitely a place to where you want to be. Now, the app right now is only on iPhone, so my Android users, you're gonna have to sit this one out. But to be honest with you, you're already making bad decisions if you have an Android device. Like, it's 2020, it's almost 2021. Why do you have an Android in the first place? But I'm gonna get off y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna mind my business, but y'all definitely need to get an iPhone if you wanna get this app. And then also, it is invite only. So that's what kind of makes this app exclusive right now. Shortly, I believe they should be opening up to the public. So it is in its beta phase. That's why you hear this buzz around it. Now, I will say my friend Tina did allow me to get in, even though she was past her one invite, because typically they say on the app you get one invite. But if you know somebody that has the app, just ask and see if they can invite you in. If not, you can sign up for the wait list. I don't really know how long it takes to get in the app if you're on the wait list because I was invited in. But I would ask around because probably you have one or two friends that are already on the app. So I would definitely ask them. All right, you guys, now I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the app itself. So if you tap the top left-hand side of the app, you pretty much get the find people to follow. So you can search different keywords. I'm gonna type in YouTuber because I'm a YouTuber. So everybody is gonna pop up that is a YouTuber, okay? Type in real estate, right? You're gonna get people that do real estate, okay? Very simple. At the bottom, you see start a room. So it'll either be open to the public, social, people, you know, I follow, closed groups, right? Simple. And then in the main section is all the groups that are going on right now. So if I wanted to pop in a group, right, I could. So right now, let's pop into, I made 2 million in 9 months in one funnel. Tap that, boom. And then that, see? boom, they just automatically stop talking, right? And so if I want to leave, I hit leave quietly. Look, Spectacular's in this room right now. Crazy, right? My man from CEO of Support Back Colleges is in this room right now, right? So you just never know who's in a room. See? Pretty Ricky. Well, why am I showing you to the camera? I mean, y'all can see it, but my man Spectacular is in this room. So you just never know who's in the room with you, you know, or you just never know, you know, the opportunity of people that you can talk to, you know, in these rooms, right? But for video purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and leave. But there's probably so much value that you can get from this room just listening to these business people and entrepreneurs, right? And then if you click the bottom right, it shows everybody that's online. So these are all my friends that are online. And then you have your notification bell, all the people that has followed you. Make sure that you follow me on here as well. Then if you tap the top right, you have my profile. Make sure that you follow me, Talking with Tonio. Pretty much all my handles are at Talking with Tonio. So the app is pretty simple to use, and then you have your settings, but there's not really much on there. You can connect your Twitter and Instagram accounts. So that's pretty much it for the app itself. It's pretty simple. And then also, if you tap the calendar, it shows you upcoming events and time. So the app is very, very simple to use. It's very user friendly in that regard. All right, you guys, so now let's discuss some do's and don'ts on the platform. So the first don't that I have for you is do not share ideas that are not already flushed out or patented, or you don't want somebody to steal. I know you can get excited and you want to share your ideas and all this stuff with people in music, but I promise you, people will steal your stuff, especially if it's a really, really good idea. So be smart. Do not share any ideas that you haven't already trademarked or patented, because I promise you, people will jack your stuff. So be smart. There are ways to communicate your ideas without divulging everything. So use tact, be witty, right? But be very, very strategic in the information that you share on this platform, because people, again, will steal your ideas. Also, I do understand that it may be very, very easy to like fangirl or be a groupie for these celebrities, but this app really isn't about that. Should be, in my opinion, a little bit more professional. So when you're able to speak to these celebrities or higher echelon of people, be normal, be confident in what you're talking about. Don't be shy, okay? Especially if you raise your hand, right? So it is normal to be nervous, but just remember that these are normal people too. They bleed just like you, okay? So, try your very best to keep it professional, keep it confident, keep it cute, you feel me? But yeah, don't get nervous. Just communicate with them as best as possible and try not to be, this groupie fangirl type of person, because it's not going to go off very well, especially if you're in an entrepreneurial room. You definitely want to keep it as composed as possible. Now, for all my entrepreneurs, content creators, real estate agents, like whatever you do, use this app as much as possible to network, baby. This is a really, really good time right now on this app to network as much as possible, people. Use it for what the app is intended for. Learn, soak in information. I promise you, I've learned so much in the last couple of days by just sitting in the room and listening. So if you have the time, just soak up the knowledge, soak up the information, and use that to employ it in your business. I promise you, this is probably the best time to be on the app, because I figure in the next couple of months or so, definitely in the next year, this app is probably going to go public, and there's not going to be as many people, using it for what the app was intended for. But right now, it's really, really niche for entrepreneurs. And it seems like for me, all my friend group obviously is African American. So it's super dope to see African American entrepreneurs on this app discussing, sharing information. So definitely use it if you can get on the app. as best as possible to learn and to use it to connect and network as much as possible. So my final thoughts on the app is that I think that it's very, very dope, especially if you're using it to network. So all my entrepreneurs, content creators, business owners, definitely get on the app ASAP, because this is honestly the best time to be on there. There's so many resources and people that you can talk to grow your business, or just get, marketing ideas and just strategies. Like, I've learned so much on this app in the last couple of days. And it's definitely helped me reshape my thinking, because one of the things that I love about this app is that, especially for a person of color, I can literally listen to people that look just like me, reaching goals and attaining certain things that I want out of my life. So it's super, super inspiring. So please, if you haven't downloaded the app, download the app. Get somebody that invites you in, and just get in a room and just sit and listen. Take some time and listen, because I promise you're going to learn a lot just within, your first couple of minutes to an hour. So overall, it's a super dope app. Check it out if you're able to get on. But that is it for the video. I hope that you guys truly enjoyed it. Make sure you thumbs it up and let me know what your experiences is on the app. Do you like the app? Do you not like it? Are you sick of the foolishness that you're seeing? Let me know what your experience is on the app down below. But thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be easy.